If you're just joining us, this live Beyond Certificate show on Planet 101.1 FM, and your host is Subongo Doka. We've been talking about career planning, a little here, a little there, self-discovery to training. What skills are available along the lines of your interests? In the course of training, after you've identified your interest, after you've identified your aptitude, after you've identified your passion, the next thing you go for is training. Sometimes you need to go beyond learning technical skills. You need to understand marketing skills. Everybody needs to understand how to market his or herself. Everybody needs to understand how the power of the internet can help him harness success in his career. So in the course of training, you need to learn marketing skills. Learn how to market yourself. Learn how to market your skill. Learn management. Everything needs management. Everyone needs management. Learn how the digital world works. There are a lot of jobs out there. You have from drop shipping, you have from virtual, you can earn from being a virtual assistant, you can earn from email marketing, you can earn from blogging, you can earn from affiliate marketing, you could earn from, a whole lot. There are so many, from copywriting to digital marketing. There are a whole lot of many things, from software development, and you can get your jobs from virtual sources. You can get your jobs from Upwork. You can get your jobs from Fiverr. You can get your jobs from several platforms, from freelance sites. You don't need to limit yourself. You don't need to put yourself in a stock. You don't need to stock yourself up. By the time people are complaining about Akwa Ibom, what's not happening, what's not working, what's not, you won't be affected. Just like the proverbial experience the children of Israel had in the time when they were in Egypt. When things were going bad in Egypt, they weren't enjoying. Why? Because they were in Goshen. So you can be in Akwa Ibom and be excelling. You can be in Akwa Ibom and not be limited by the scenarios of Akwa Ibom. Why? Because you are just there geographically. There are a whole lot of things you're enjoying, opportunities you're enjoying from different parts of the world because of the understanding that you have. I would like you to share your experience. If you have any question to ask me, I'm available. The phone lines are still open. 090-2231-011. You can call me. You can also send me a WhatsApp message on 0806-255-6036. We are here to guide you. You don't need to go about carrying files, carrying, placards, demonstrating. Those things may be good, but sometimes we need to evaluate ourselves. All these whiles I've been carrying placards. How well has it helped me? All this while I've been protesting. How far have I gone? All this while I've been complaining. You've been complaining from January. Are you going to start another new year with the complaining? No. You need to evaluate yourself. You need to audit yourself. You need to think about, what can I do with my life? What new skills can I acquire? What technical skills can I acquire? What business skills can I acquire? What interpersonal skills? You can give us a call. We'll guide you based on your antecedents and show you how you can earn. There are a lot of opportunities out there. There are a lot of persons earning from social media management. There are a whole lot of opportunities there. The next thing we want to consider in the course of career planning is opportunities. After you've acquired the skill, what next? I hear some young persons who will say, I know this, but no job. Let me tell you this. One of the first things you must understand is this: give your skills visibility. The easiest way to give your skill visibility is to volunteer. Offer to do your services free for people. Offer free services for people. Don't always wait, nobody, no job. From the environment you find yourself, identify people you can offer this service and decide to offer these services free. You can volunteer in an NGO. You can volunteer in a church. You can volunteer in a company. Don't always wait to be employed. Sometimes the jobs won't come from the conventional ways. You need to volunteer. Volunteer your services. Volunteer your skills. Volunteer until someone decides to pay you. Volunteer until someone decides to place a premium on your skills. Talk to us. We are here with you. Give us a call. You can send us a WhatsApp message on 080-6255-6036. We are here to talk with you. We are here to counsel you. We are here to show you opportunities you can earn from your personal skills. If you're just joining us, this live Beyond Certificate show with Tubong Doc on Planet 101.1. Hope you're enjoying the program so far. Our program doesn't end here. We have our website, livebeyondcertificate.com. Visit our website. We have an e-shop. When you get to our website, locate the link shop. We have a lot of ebooks there. You have a lot of do-it-yourself books. You have a lot of trainings. We have a lot of trainings we're running virtually. Take advantage of those trainings. Develop yourself. Don't wait until someone offers you a job. No, do something with your life. Don't end your life the way it ended last year. Make sure you add value to yourself. Make sure you give yourself exposure. Give your skill exposure. Sometimes we sing this popular song, somebody's son will find me. Yeah. Somebody will find you when you have a skill to offer. When you have something to offer. When you consistently offer free services, one day somebody will decide to pay you for that. Don't limit yourself. Life can be beautiful. Life can be more rewarding. You don't need to have parents. Sometimes people say, I don't have parents. And that's the reason. No. You are not succeeding because you have parents. You succeed because you take personal responsibility. Oh, how time flies. We are just ending this show on this note. We believe you've enjoyed this. Don't forget to send me a WhatsApp message on 08062556036. I'm ready to help you out. I'm ready to give you a guide when it comes to digital economy and how you can harness the power of the internet for your personal profit. Thank you for being with us. All thanks to our production crew, Mr. Brown, Mr. Manasseh, Idong, Effiong, Enoma. All of you have been so wonderful. Thank you, my listeners, for tuning in. Don't forget to be with me again next Saturday, same time, 2 p.m. to 2:45. More to enjoy, more to discover, and more to succeed from. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Are you thinking of writing a new book, or you are struggling with sales despite all your creative works? Live Beyond Certificate is offering a mentoring solution that will bring an end to this and positioning you to earn a decent income from your creative works. You will discover winning strategy that will attract sustainable income, in-depth market research, and audience demographics analysis for your book, where to find high-paying clients for your creative writing, how to develop sellable, unique selling point that no competitor can beat, latest technology to improve your writing speed, how to create a writing portfolio that sells massively, software for improving reading skills, artificial intelligence to improve writing skills, hundreds of writing templates for sales later, email swipes, landing pages for copywriters, art script that will get you tons of writing clients, and much more. Call or WhatsApp us on 081-1594-4509 for more information. Are you a graduate or student seeking to acquire skills to enhance your self-reliance and employability? Enroll for our Digital Peers Club for young graduates and enjoy low-cost 3-month training in the following areas: search engine optimization, creative writing, mobile app development, website development, e-commerce and drop shipping, software development, digital marketing, and many. Are you a graduate or student seeking to acquire skills to enhance your self-reliance and employability? Enroll for our Digital Peers Club for young graduates and enjoy low-cost 3-month training in the following areas: search engine optimization, creative writing, mobile app development, website development, e-commerce and drop shipping, software development, digital marketing, and many more. Text YES to 081-1594-4509 to register or send a WhatsApp message to the number.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.